Welcome to Jobs and Off-Campus Drive, my friends. In this video, we'll see the opportunity coming from Accenture. They are hiring associate software engineer. So, guys, you can apply over here if you are just good at .NET, ASP.NET, or you have experience and knowledge in configuration or customization of Salesforce.com applications. So you can directly apply over here. They have not asked for any education qualification. Any batch can apply. Anybody who is from a IT background, or they can apply here. So guys, if you are non-IT background also, even though you can apply, but the thing is that you must be good upon it. So flexibility and relocate your project development in any part of India and work 24 hours shift basis on business requirements. So you have to mention in your while filling up the form. I will show you how to fill the form also. Ability to anticipate and resolve business issue with agility and multidisciplinary good analytical problem solving skills is required. These are some of the requirement. Mostly the requirement is based on .NET and understanding on ABP development on HANA CDS and MDP performance analysis. So these are the some of the basics things they are asking for. So go ahead with it. Just you have to this I was just looking up on the job description. You need to fill up this form. I will give the link in the description box, and the source details they have asked for, from where you have anybody you can click on and anywhere. So personal brand, personal details, middle name, last name, these are the simple things. University registration number, email ID, mobile number, alternate, these are the these things I will not mention upon. What is where are you currently working upon? Either you are working upon, then you have to say yes, or if you are fresher, you can say no. Do you have any offer in hand? You can directly say that I don't have offer, or I have offer, so you can directly go ahead with that. So skills, develop primary skills. What are your primary skills upon, and your secondary skills? What are the secondary skills you have? You will write over here. Certification detail you will write over here. Preferred location, now they have asked about, they are given 3 locations. Now according to your choice, you have to give 3 locations. Now there is location is of Bengaluru, Chennai, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai. So I prefer you that you may be not shortlisted if you keep on putting a one location itself. So guys, you can directly you can go ahead with the 3 locations. Like first one is Bengaluru or either in Chennai. So wherever you want to apply, you just have to put on 3 location. My preference is that you give a separate 3 locations in this column. So other details, you have gap in education. If you have gap or backlog, you can directly write to it. Submit your resume, just put on the photographs and submit all the things. So just click on the captcha and submit the button. That's all for the job. There are a lot of job openings in a jobs and career jobs and off-campus drive Telegram channel. So you can directly hit upon that, and you just share the video if you liked it. Thank you.